What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me on this video. We're making a longboard deck out of this 1/4-inch plywood. I ended up buying a full sheet of plywood and cutting it down. Cost about 20 bucks, and I also used a little bit of glue, so that was another 5 bucks. Super cheap build. Took about a day and a half just to let the glue dry, and it turned out great. Check it out. I made this longboard press the quickest way possible with some scrap wood I had laying around. I've seen many videos using foam to shape the boards, but I just didn't have any foam on hand, and I wanted to see how this went. So this is my version of the cheapest, fastest way possible to make a longboard deck. I did end up making some adjustments to this press to increase the concave of the tail. But this is the first prototype. So I used a 1/4-inch plywood and cut it down to size that you see here. I forgot what type of plywood it was, but I used 3 sheets that were 3 layers thick, totaling 9 layers. This is actually a super cheap build if only you have a million clamps. So right here I popped in a second prototype with a little adjustments. You can see the tail is a little more aggressive on this one. So once you make your paper template, the best way to make sure you're symmetrical is to basically trace one side like this. And then flip that over, tracing the exact same pattern. After cutting it out with my super old jigsaw, I did a bunch of sanding and added some grip tape. And these were the results. You could get an idea of the shape of the board here. And I'll do a little ground demo. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the first prototype, and I can't wait to get some trucks on here and carve out some nasty lines. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around for the full video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.